Okay, so currently a lot of people out there have not been able to complete the number 9, or would I say, yeah, the last on this particular list, which is migrate to Mainnet. Meanwhile, you have already completed your KYC and you have passed your KYC, but till date you have not been migrated. So right in this video, guys, I'm going to take you through the steps, okay, on how to carry out this. And believe me, this is working like magic. Okay, this is something I did and it actually worked for me. This is something I have shown a lot of people in my community and it's working for them. Okay, so make sure you watch this video to the very end as I take you through the steps. Okay, now if I go back and I'll go back to these 3 horizontal lines again, now you can see normally this is where we always reach out to the Pi team, and you can see if I click that, this is what we are seeing. I strongly believe you are seeing the same from your own side. So they say something went wrong. Okay, now I'm going to be showing you the easiest way to actually reach out to the Pi team. Okay, now let's go to the step. Now I'll go over to my Safari, okay, and I will search for Pi network. So you can see this particular one right here, Pi network customer support. Okay, so that is what you'll be searching for, Pi network customer support email. So I'll click on that, and this is it. This very first one, you can see it, support.help.mainnet-pi.com. so I'll click on that. All right, so let's see how it goes. And this is a support page right here. So here they say for instructions or troubleshooting tips. Okay, so I will just scroll through this, and these are the most important things right here. So you can see we have to fill this information right here. So they say required fields are marked with an asterisk. Okay, so you can see this particular one, they tick or mark with these reds of a thing. Okay, these red stars, this simply means these things are necessary. Okay, now the first thing here, they say your email confirmation too. So right here, guys, what you should be doing is typing that particular email. Okay, I'm not doing this because I've already succeeded with mine. So just type in the particular email address which you used on your Pi. Okay, don't forget that it should be that particular email. And the second thing right here, though, it's optional, so you can skip, or in fact just do this. Okay, now here should be your Pi username. All right, and the next thing here is the subject. So the subject right here, write something like, I'll just copy and paste my text right here. So that should be your subject. Okay, assistance with Mainnet migration. And the next thing here is your description. So here you are to describe your problem. Okay, so I'll just copy and paste my text. So this is it. Dear Pi support team, I have successfully completed all the steps in the Mainnet checklist except for level 9, not level 8. Okay, which is the migrate to Mainnet step. Okay, I have been waiting for months, and I would appreciate your assistance in resolving this issue as soon as possible. Thank you in advance for your support. Okay, so you can equally use this, or you forge or compose your own write-up, but make sure you describe your problem. Okay, don't forget the main issue here is the migrate to Mainnet. Okay, now after that, the next thing you should do is snapping this. Okay, now let's go back to this. Okay, and I'll click on the Mainnet checklist. Okay, so make sure you snap this. Okay, just snap this page. Okay, you just snap this page. Make sure it shows this particular spot where you are not migrated to the Mainnet. Okay, so you screenshot this. Okay, then I will go back. Okay, now I will click on browse to bring in the image right here. Okay, photo library, and this is it. I'll click on add. This is my image. Okay, my image is still loading. and that is that. So after everything, don't forget your email address, your Pi username, and the subject, and also the description. Then bring in the image and you are good to go. The next thing here is to click on send and you are good to go. Okay, believe me, if you actually do this within 24 hours, okay, your Pi should be migrated to Mainnet. Okay, this is something we have been doing and it's working out. Okay, it's working perfectly well. Okay, all right, thank you for watching this video, guys. Please, if you find this video valuable, why not hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell so that each time I post an update like this, you'll be notified. And don't forget, for early access to update like this, you can join my Telegram channel, okay, for early access to updates. Okay, I'm gonna leave the link in the description and also in the comment section of this video. Thank you and see you in my next video.